Hi, my name is Lou Hughes from Decor Connect. I'm here today to explain our new technology called LifeLamp and how it is changing the world of energy efficient lighting. Here is a typical energy efficient compact fluorescent lamp. This one is a R30 reflector. You can see when you look inside the spiral inside the R30 cover, and this lamp or bulb is completely integrated: cover, spiral, ballast. Okay, all one piece. So when the lamp tube burns out, you have to throw away the lamp tube, the cover, and the ballast. When our company was looking at this solution for the marketplace, we saw a few critical problems. Number one, environmentally, the ballast has a number of components. Let me show you. See all those electronic components? Capacitors, transformers, resistors, and a leaded PCB. So while everyone's very worried about throwing away these R30 or any CFL because of a small trace amount of mercury in the lamp tube, the bigger problem is the amount of lead found in the ballast that ends up in our landfills today. So enter our solution called LifeLamp. LifeLamp is a fully modular, detachable, and reusable solution. We have three pieces to this solution: the ballast, the cover, and the lamp tube. So as you can see, everything is detachable through a simple push button on the side of the product. I simply push the button in one level, twist, and pull up, and I can remove the cover. The beauty of this design is all of the covers are interchangeable with the bases. All of the lamp tubes, again, when I show you pushing it in one more level, I can separate the lamp tube from the ballast. So all of the lamp tubes are separable from the ballast and are interchangeable with the ballast. So I can put a 11 watt lamp tube onto this ballast, or I can take off and put a 13 watt, a 15 watt, a 19 watt, or a 23 watt lamp tube onto this ballast. The ballasts are what we call wattage aware, meaning that the ballast will recognize what wattage lamp tube is being connected to it, and it will supply the appropriate amount of voltage and current. Also, as I mentioned before, the covers are completely interchangeable. So here I show you putting on an R30 cover, right? If I wanted to, I could take that R30 cover off and take an R40 cover. You see, this is an R40 cover. I can take this and I can snap this on and put it in place. And now I have an R40 cover working with the same lamp tube and ballast. Now, our technology, this LifeLamp technology, has the very best fit in dimmable lighting applications, because in dimmable lighting, the ballast is very expensive. The ballast can cost up to $3 by itself for a dimmable lighting application, whereas a non-dimmable lighting application, the ballast might only cost 50 cents. So for dimmable lighting, a $3 ballast will last, in general, the ballast will last 50,000 hours, while the lamp tube will only last 10,000 hours. So imagine, when the lamp tube burns out on a dimmable CFL, you're now throwing away $3 when it could be reused 4 more times. I snap them together, I pull them apart when they burn out, and I reuse that expensive ballast. So the other thing to talk about today is the idea within certain markets where we've been able to add additional covers to reduce lumens when it's required. One of our case studies is for the poultry market, where we use a low wattage lamp tube. This is an 11 watt lamp tube, an R30 reusable cover, okay, to put as much light on the floor of the poultry house as possible, okay? So what I'm going to show you today, up in this LifeLamp R30 reflector up top, is our use of what we call lumen reducing covers. This is a simple little polystyrene thermoform part that has interchangeable film, thin films on the inside to reduce the lumen levels. We also created a simple little suction cup for enabling the poultry farmer to install this part, this lumen reducing cover, very simply to his lights that are up on the ceiling. So as you can see how bright it is in this room, I will simply take this, pull the string down, simply put it on there, pull the string down, and take it off. Now do you see how much darker it got in the room? We've now reduced our lumens in the room by about 50%. So on the low end, for a poultry farmer, on the low end, the lumen level has gone way down. Now, when the farmer's done with it, and he's finished his flock, and he's got all the birds out of the house, and he wants to start a new flock for what we call the brood period, he again just comes back in and removes this cover. Very simple. Well, thank you for being with me here today. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at lou@wholesalebulbs.net. Bye-bye.